Hello, this is Pal Walker at Mission Winners. We got a 3-day weekend, but that doesn't mean we don't work. We're always prepared. The spoils go to the prepared. So what are we doing? One way to look at the ETFs and see what they did, because that can transfer into what potentially can happen in the future. That's why people look at charts. It works. No forecasting, just looking at charts and you see recurring patterns. Here we go. Let's take it from the top. And it also helps us see strength and weakness. Biotech's hanging in there, all right? Here's the ticker symbol in the upper left-hand corner on all these, by the way, okay? ARKG. So when I'm doing this, if you need one, there's ARKK. Technology, innovation ETFs, hanging in nice trend. And again, what does this mean to us? Well, folks, guess what? We've been involved with technology for months and months. And it's not because of this ETF. It's just that we see it, especially like in max list stocks and things. Cloud computing's hanging in there. Telemedicine is hanging in there, COVID-related. Innovation, another innovative. This is the IBD 50. Look at this. Leading, that's good to see. IBD 50, leading stocks. And it's nice when they are leading. Back here in November, they weren't. They are now. That's good. This one focuses on the max list stocks. FV, look at that, grinding on up. Gold, what does this tell you? In 1 second, it says, stay away from gold. Junior gold, what does this say? Stay away from junior gold. Gold miners, stay away from gold. Go. Done. That's simple, folks. That's knowledge, that's power. It's what we do in Mission Winners. Try to see where the money's going, all right? Biotechnology's hanging in there, good to see. Technology's hanging in there, another technology. Medical related, hanging in there, good. Home builders hanging in there. One owns a lot of the max list stocks, doing fine. Small caps are hanging in there. Mid caps are hanging in there. Oil services is forming maybe a cup and a handle. Online retail, look at this. And you know, everybody talks about COVID-19 and it's the end of the world and everything's shutting down. All I know is I look at these charts dating back for a while and they're making good moves. All right? Software, look at this. Here's the weekly. Look at this move in 2020. All we hear about is everything's in it. And by the way, please, if you had somebody that was impacted by COVID-19, I am not trying to diminish that at all. I'm just saying there's a tremendous amount of information in the charts. If you read the news or watch the news, it's the end of the world every day. Well, guess what? Looking at this, I don't call that the end of the world. All right? That's leading. And you can say, well, the reason why. Folks, do you want to make money? Do we want to make money or do we want to complain? You know what I want to do? Yeah, I want to make money. Okay? And I know you do too. That's why you're watching this. NASDAQ 100 hanging in nicely, okay? Everything's fine. NASDAQ 100 non-leveraged, fine. Cloud computing, nice run. Silver, chopping around. I mean, this is one wicked bar right here. So I don't know what that's about, but it's too loose. Leave it alone. Steel, starting to pick up a little bit. If the economy was so bad, if the world was ending, this wouldn't be doing this, making this huge run from May all the way through till now. All right, so there's a tremendous amount of information in the charts. In fact, there's more information in the charts than there is in the paper and on the TV if you just know how to use it. Semiconductors, technology, great. Spiders hitting new highs, fine. SSO leverage hitting new highs, fine. Solar going sideways. Look at this. This has been really strong. We've had some solar stocks. We've got one right now, DQ, that's running and has been running for a while. This is hanging in fine. Small cap, leveraged, fine. Aerospace and defense, fine. Biotech, fine. Home builders, fine. Materials, that's forming a low-level cup and handle. It's okay. Communications, hitting new highs, good. Energy, hanging in, fine. Financials, near new highs or right at new highs, good. Industrials, near new highs, fine. Technology, at new highs, great. Consumer staples, lagging a little bit. But think about this. Money's moving from consumer staples, which is more of defensive, into, and has been moving into, growth areas. Utilities, nothing's happening there. So, oh, this is a bad omen. This is really bad. No, you know what else it tells me? Money's moving into a better area with greater potential. Utilities is what? Kind of a defensive play. It's not doing anything. Where's money going? It's going in on an offensive posture, and it has for a while. There you go. Healthcare's hanging in fine. Consumer discretionary hanging in just fine. Metals and mining, maybe forming a low-level cup and handle. That's good. Retailing, spiked up, fell down. But look at this. Folks, I point this out every week. I want to show this. COVID-19. And again, I clarify, if you had somebody who was impacted by it, I'm not trying to diminish that. That's not my issue. My issue is we can get wrapped up in that, but we can also sit here and say, what's going on with the charts? What's happening with the charts? And here we go. April, they bottomed. Everything's shut down. The world is ending. And this thing's rallying up, and it's starting right here, hitting new all-time highs in July. And hitting new highs, and hitting new all-time highs, and there you go. You know what I'm saying? I love it. It's fun. Software, nice grind. Look at that. Isn't that great? What does that tell you? Well, you should have been looking at software. Have we? Yes. Here we go, and we're back up to the top. It helps us where to put our money and what to not put our money in. Where to put our money to make money. Where to not put our money in so that we don't have losses. Done. There you go. And guess what? I got even better news for you. We're off Monday. The markets are closed. Wherever you are, be safe, please. Rest, relax, recharge.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.